Health News, small children who tend to wheeze when they have colds face a higher risk of developing asthma later in childhood. Researchers followed a group of newborns for 6 years. They discovered those who wheezed when they had a cold during their first year were 3 times more likely to have asthma by age 6. The link was even stronger the older the children were. Children who wheezed with a cold in their second year were more than 6 times as likely to develop asthma. 90% of children who wheezed in their third year had asthma at 6 years old.